Hello. So I'm here to show you kind of an addition to how to get the feedback in your course, because I've started using voice comments and I'm wondering if some people maybe are not playing these voice comments. So I want to make this video and show you how to do this. So what I've got up here right now is just sort of the area that you need to be in, which is the grade mark area. I'm all the way over to the right so you can't see the student's paper. If I click play, which is what it tells you to do right here, this little button, nothing happens. But that's because Flash Player is not enabled on this particular machine for whatever reason in Chrome. If that's the case, that's what the rest of this is. So if you click up here, you see up here we have a sort of Flash Player icon that has the little red thing. If you click on this, you'll have the option to run Flash this time. Sometimes there'll be a second option here too. If you've got some kind of a special pop-up blocker or other kind of Flash blocker, so that maybe when you're surfing on the web you don't have things that just automatically start to play. That might be why your Flash is turned off, but you need it on for this. So just click Run Flash this time, and then click again. And then you can hear the thing from there, and you can listen through the whole comment. Most of the important things that I say to all students I really say in this. I do a little bit of copy editing on the other side, but I don't type a lot, and I spend a lot of time taking notes by hand that only I can read, and then I convert it into a 3-minute thing, trying to tell you kind of the main things that you need to do to make a revision that's going to be more successful as a college paper. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll look forward to hearing from you and seeing you use the feedback that I'm leaving for you. Thanks very much for watching.